So if you're coming to Chiang Mai, there's a good chance you're coming straight off the night bus from Bangkok, going to the hostel and chucking your bags down.
But we didn't. We went straight to prison. I'm very nervous.
Welcome to Thailand, the home of beautiful beaches, delicious cuisine, and the Ladyboy. Oh, and if you didn't know already, we're travelling from the north to the south with our good friends Ollie and Sydney. P.S. They're not a couple.
So we're now getting changed, about to get a full body massage from prisoners, and I'm really scared. It looks so weird about to become prisoners.
So filming this video a couple of days later because we came out of the massage and we were all so relieved and felt amazing. The massages were so good that we just walked home and enjoyed the rest of the day. But essentially the correctional facility is a prison, and the massage program is just there to help them adjust back into life after prison, and they do 300 hours of massage to get a qualification.
I actually felt really scared going into it, which is really silly, but like at the same time I feel like everyone going into a prison to get a massage by the inmates, it is a bit scary, but it was great. Really enjoyed it. It was nothing to worry about. They were so friendly and they were just smiling the whole time. They'd ask you if like it was hurting too much, if they were going too hard. But very good experience. I definitely recommend you doing it if you come here. We're now on the way to a cooking class. So we've been on the tour about 5 minutes, and so far I've learned so much about my nut allergy. It's crazy. I thought they use peanut oil here. Turns out they don't, and they only use peanuts in a couple of dishes, or they use it as a topping. So I'm actually pretty safe to eat a lot of street food.
I really want to do a market tour so that we could address like Henna's peanut allergy and see what has peanuts in, what uses peanut oil at the market, so that we could go out and get street food. And so I didn't really want to do a cooking class, but first things first, he brought us to the market and has explained everything. So it's brilliant. Brilliant day out for both of us.
Yes, we're off to try some donuts now. Bye.
That's the salty one, I think. It's really good.
Oh yeah, that's my favourite. That's my favourite. It's green. Made with panda leaf.
The sausage is good. No nuts.
So we've just sat down, we've gone through the menu. I have picked the red curry to cook. We're making some spring rolls now, and then we're also going to do a hot and creamy soup and chicken with holy basil dish with rice.
We haven't even started cooking yet, and Henna has got curry paste in her eye.
The sign. I'm not struggling with that. It's really spicy.
You cry now.
So Henna thought the turtles were to eat.
They're not turtles.
They're tortoises.
They're pets. Not too bad. Too bad.
First dish made.
It's Saturday night, which means one thing: fight night. And here in Chiang Mai, there's a fight pretty much every single day of the week. So it doesn't matter when you're coming, you're able to just turn up, buy tickets on the door, and enjoy a little bit of fighting.
Got the goods. In Chiang Mai. We were actually going to get up early and go to visit some temples today, but it absolutely chucked it down with rain, so a bit of a change of plan. We actually worked this morning, and now it's about 1 o'clock and we are heading off to Grand Canyon Waterpark, which should be super fun. Fit check.
This is a cheat.
guys, welcome to the Grand Canyon.
I am having so much fun.
Best time ever.
We've just been on the water park for the past 4 hours, but now we're going to go and do the zip line before it closes.
Yeah, before we go get our winning drinks, because me and Hannah are winners.
Yes. We've had to put on hairnets under these helmets, and then we're off in a golf buggy to the starting point. Right. That guy was so rude.
So moody.
He was so moody. He was like, it's time, you have to go, we close. I was like, okay. I was like, can I wait for my friends to come down? And he was like, no, you have to go.
What I'm most mad about though is that it's closing and we didn't even get time to go on the big pools that you have to run across to win another drink. So
yeah. Jake won a free drink on the ones that you have to like run across on the water.
And then
the water skipper, which was really fun. I got a free drink on that one too.
So drink time.
Great day. I just thought I'd do a quick video just to mention about SIM cards, because I know we haven't really spoken about it in this video or previous videos when we were in Indonesia, but we have been getting SIM cards everywhere we've been going in a new country. In Indonesia it cost about £12 including the SIM, and here it cost us £8 for 20 gig of data. I'll put all the details here because I can't quite remember, but maybe it's useful for people who's wanting to travel here and need to work so they have better Wi-Fi. It's our last day in Chiang Mai today. We've just come to a coffee shop to do a little bit of work, but if you like the video, please like and subscribe and follow us to see our journey onto Pai, which is our next destination. But for now, here's a little cost breakdown on the screen of everything we spent here. We were here for about 2 days, but now we're on our way to go get the bus. Bye.